quadratic equation. Solve this and a quadratic equation. Now, solution. And what you are going to do here, this is the same thing as s square minus 2s. Take this to the other side, 1 minus 6 equals to 0. Sorry, here is plus in the equation. Now, what we are going to do, we want to find the value of x. Now, we have 4 methods to solve quadratic equation. One is factorization method, 2 completing the square, 3 formula method, and the fourth one is graphical method. Now, we will not be able to use factorization method in this question because it's very difficult. Now, we can use formula method and completing the square method. We can also use graph method in finding out the value of x. Now, we are going to use using formula method. Formula method. We're going to use formula method. Now, the formula is s equals to minus b plus minus square root of ab square minus 4ac over 2a. Now, this is the equation now. Our s now is a, x is a, from the equation x, a is 1. Now b is equals to 2. B is 2. Then c is equals to minus 6. Now, this value, we are going to impute them into this formula. We are going to impute this value into this formula. Now, x is equals to, now what is the value of b here? Now, b is 2. So, write down this minus 2 plus minus the square root of. Now, value of b is 2. So, it's equal to 2 minus 4. The value of a is 1. The value of c is minus 6 divided by 2a. Now a is what? 1. So what we are going to do here now, s is equal to minus 2 plus minus and the square root of 2. Square root of 2 is 4 minus 4 times 1 gives us 4. 4 times 1 will give us 4 times minus 6 will give us minus 24. Minus 24 divided by 2 times 1 will give us 2. Now, we are still going. What we are going to do here now, s is equals to minus 2 plus minus. Now, minus times minus will give us plus. So 4 plus 24 over 2. 4 plus 24 over 2. Now, what we are going to do here now, we're going to minus 2 plus minus 20. 4 plus 24 will give us square root of 28 over 2. So what we are going to do now, the square root of 28 is what? Square root of 28. Square root of 28 will give us 5.2915 divided by 2. So what we are going to do, going to separate them. S equals to minus 2 plus 5.2915 divided by 2, or minus 2 minus, that is taking this minus. First of all, we take this plus here, and now the second one we are taking this minus. 5.2915 divided by 2. So what we do, minus 2 plus 5.2915 will give us 3.2915 divided by 2, or minus 2 minus 5.2915 divided by 2 will give us minus 7.2915 divided by 2. Now, this divided by 2 will give us S is equals to 1.6, or this divided by 2 will give us minus 0.6. So these are the value of X. That's your answer. You can click the subscribe button below for more videos, and also share to your friends. Thanks for watching.